Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to study the 7th standard maths operation on rational number chapter number 5 practice set 23 we was continuing. So similar one we are going further and the question number 4 out of that question number 4 we are going to solve here 7 upon 9 comma minus 5 by 9. Now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find out the numbers in between the 7 upon 9 to the minus 5 by 9. So here what we are supposed to do to find out the numbers in between the two, we are supposed to add them together and then their addition should be divided by 2. So here to find out the rational numbers between the 7 upon 9 and minus 5 by 9, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to add them together and then their addition should be divided by the 2. So here 7 upon 9 plus minus 5 by 9 divided by 2. So here it will be like this way. Now minus it is given, so here in between the minus will come, so it will be half 7 upon 9 minus 5 by 9 divided by 2, so that will be equals to 2 by 9 divided by 2. Now if we will start this 2 by 9 into 1 upon 2. So then this 2 get cancelled. So it will be 1 upon 9. The first number we have found as a 1 upon 9. So let us go for the next number. Now we will find out the number between the 7 upon 9 and 1 upon 9. So what we are supposed to do, again dividing 7 upon 9 and 1 upon 9 sum by 2. So therefore 7 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 divided by 2 is equals to, now here the denominators are same, so 7 plus 1 it's 8 upon 9 divided by 2. So the answer will be 8 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 4 upon 9. So this is our second number. Now we'll find out the number between the 4 upon 9 and minus 5 by 9. So here it will be, now how to do, again dividing sum of 4 upon 9 and 5 by 9 by 2. Therefore here 4 upon 9 plus minus 5 by 9 divided by 2 is equals to, now here 4 up minus 5 upon 9 divided by 2 is equals to, now here the number will be minus 1 upon 9. So the answer will be minus 1 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. So the answer will be minus 1 upon into 9 2s are 18. So the answer is minus 1 upon 18. So like that way we have found our 3 numbers. Therefore 3 numbers in between 7 upon 9 and minus 5 by 9 are 1 upon 9, 4 upon 9 and minus 1 upon 18. Like that way we have solved the sum. Now let us go for the fifth sum. Now the fifth question we are solving, minus 3 by 4 comma plus 5 by 4. Now what we are doing, again we are dividing minus 3 by 4, sorry, sum of minus 3 by 4 and plus 5 by 4 by 2. So therefore minus 3 upon 4 plus 5 by 4. Now I am here, it is given in the plus 5 by 4. So plus 5 by 4 means only 5 by 4. So it is just given as for the confusion. So here I am writing it as 5 by 4 only, and that should be divided by 2. So here it will be half, here minus 3 plus 5 upon 4 divided by 2. So that now here 5 is bigger than the 3. So directly I am taking here as 5 minus 3, it is 2. But the bigger number sign will come as plus because 5 is bigger. So here 2 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. So this 2 get cancelled. So answer will be 1 upon 4. The first number we have found. Now for finding out the second number, what we are supposed to do, dividing the sum of minus 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 by 2. So therefore minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 divided by 2. So that will be equals to minus 3 plus 1 upon 4 divided by 2. Like this way. So therefore minus, who's bigger here? 2 is bigger. So 3 is bigger. 3 plus minus 1, it's 2. But the sign of minus will come here. So it will be like that way. So here now 1 upon 2. So this get cancelled. So the answer is minus 1 upon 4. This is our second number. Now to find out the third number, what we are doing, minus 1 upon 4 and 5 by 4 we are taking. So here minus 1 upon 4 plus 5 by 4 divided by 2. So that will be equals to half, here minus 1 plus 5 upon 4. So that will be divided by 2 is equals to, now here 5 minus 1 directly will come. So it is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 divided by 1 upon 2. So it will be like that way 2. Getting me? So here 2 ones are 2. So answer will be 1 upon 2. Like this way. So this is our third number. So in this way we have completed our sum and found the 3 numbers. So let us go with that. Now here we have found the 3 numbers as 1 upon 4, minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So the question is completed over here. Now the sixth question we are having 8 upon 7 comma minus 5 by 3. So here again dividing sum of 7 upon 8 and minus 5 by 3 by 2. Therefore 7 upon 8 plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 2. Now here the denominators are different. So we are supposed to make the denominators equal first of all. So here 7 upon 8 into 3. Like this way, and then plus. So here plus minus I am writing here directly it as minus. So here 5 into 8 upon 3 into 8 divided by 2. So the answer will be 7 3s are 21 upon here it is how much? Here it is 24 minus 5 4s are 5 8s are 40 and here 24 divided by 2. So here 40 minus 21. 40 minus 21 it will be 19. So the answer is 19 upon 24. है ना? So here it will be coming in the minus because 40 is greater. So minus 19 divided by 24 divided by 2. So that will be equals to minus 19 upon 24 into 1 upon 2. So the answer will be minus 19 upon 48 is the first number we are having. Now let us go for the second number. Now for the second number, what we are doing here, we are taking minus 90 upon 48 and 7 upon 8. So here we have written minus 19 upon 48 plus 7 upon 8 divided by 2. Now here if we compare both the denominators again are different. So we are supposed to make the denominators equal. So here 48 do comes in the table of 8. So that's why we will multiply the 8 by the 6. So because it will becomes the 48 minus 19 upon 48 will remain as it is. Now plus 7 into 6 upon 8 into 6 divided by 2. So here it will be minus 19 upon 48 plus 6 7s are 42 upon it will be 48 divided by 2. So here now 42 minus 19. 42 minus 19 is 23. The answer will come as 23. So here 23 upon 48 then it is 1 upon 2 is equals to now 23 upon 48 2s are 96. So this is our second number. Now what we are doing here, we are taking minus 19 upon 48 and minus 5 by 3. So what I have did here, minus 19 upon 48 like that way I had written and then minus plus minus. So that's why I had written here minus sign. So 5 by 3 divided by 2. So here if we compare the denominator we come to know that this is 3. So 3 can be made into the 48 to make the denominator equals. So that's why we are multiplying the 3 by the 16 because 16 3s are 48. So your first fraction we are keeping it like that way and 5 upon 3 is multiplying by 16. So the answer then divided by 2. So here 19 upon 48 minus 80 upon 48 the answer will come. So then after that if we have added them together because minus minus plus, so that is why it is minus 99 upon 48 into 1 upon 2. So minus 99 upon 96 is the third number we are having. So like that way 3 numbers we have got. Now we will write down the final answer for the question. So here the 3 numbers are minus 19 upon 48, 23 by 96, minus 99 upon 96. So like that way we have completed the question number 6. Now the question number 7 and 8 you people are supposed to do by your own. Before ending up, I request you to like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video also. Assalamu alaikum, jazakallahu khair.